Welcome back to the channel, guys. Wagwan Tours. We're here in Gran Canaria. And yeah, let's take a little walk, see Wagwan. You know the vibe. There's the Cita Park. Look at the size of him. Wonder Woman, Superman, everything in there. So I'll give you a reference where we are. And if you've ever been here before, this shopping centre. But yeah. I don't quite understand it, but let me know in the comments. Who's this one? Who's this black lady? Look at the werewolf. Hulk as well. Look at that freak over there as well. God. But yeah, I won't take you in there because I'm done with shopping centres. Might go and find a barraquito. I've got a few hours left. It's just 12 o'clock now. I'm not leaving till 7:30 tonight. There's a Sabine shop as well. You've got the VIP bunny limo. And the Leaning Tower of Pisa there as well. With a spa. Yeah, look at that view. It's beautiful. It's not cold today. It's quite nice. This is at 25 at the moment. Sun's popping out. Show you the sun there. Sun's up there with the clouds. So yeah, let's keep going. I did want to go and find a cheap beer around here, but like I said, it's the cheapest beer. It's about $1.50. So I find in the Canaries this is quite a regular price, $1.50. Fixing up the apartments over here. But yeah, $1.50 seems to be the price for the beers. Not seen a Euro pint over here. But then I think you get €1 pint in Lanzarote. I think you can get one over in Tenerife on happy hour. Hola. So yeah. Starboys. See there, Starboys. Just doing it up. Or knocking it down, one of the two. God knows what he said to me. But let me know if you found a €1 beer here. What's that, 50 cents more? It's not much more, is it? Is that 40p for us? Get a beer for $1.30. Can't really beat a beer for $1.30, can you? I did go to, I was in Tenerife, had quite a lot of $1.50 beers. Not too bad some places. But the worst one, Yordies. Amazing I can remember that name, Yordies. He ripped me off in Yordies. Remember I got a beer off him, and I knew it was only $1.50. I got two, so it should have been €3. He charged me $5. And I went back in the night time, and the guy's trying to get you into Yordies. I said to him, mate, how much is it for a beer? He said $1.50. I was like, well, that's all day, is it? He said, yeah, all day, $1.50. I was like, well, the owner ripped me off. So, let's just say it once. If you rip off a guy with a camera in his hand, don't expect him to be nice to you, yeah? That's the most stupidest thing you can do. So, yeah, fuck Yordies, as far as I'm concerned. That's Tenerife. Anyway, we're not in Tenerife. Well, I will be passing down that way over the next few months. Hopefully meeting up with Gypsy Souls. Probably see Kevin. Scotsman and Kevin. Have a beer with him. He might be over now. I know he's looking for his next trip. He just come back from Benidorm. Pardon. Pardon. Oh, sorry. Thank you. So yeah, he's probably over there now. Or he's getting ready to go somewhere. He did ask for destinations in winter that are not Canarian bound. I suggested quite a few, but they're quite far away for him. So I think that's the thing. Where we live on this side of the world, we only have the Canaries for the winter. Got Cape Verde, but I watched a few videos on Cape Verde lately and things are not very good. Struggling for water. Hoteliers making massive profits, but not giving in, not feeding it back into the population. Isn't that quite normal though nowadays? Because you have it going on in Tenerife. They're building up all these new hotels, but they're telling you that they're overcrowded. Or do they need to build more hotels so then they can give the apartments back to the locals? What is it? So this is another shopping centre I wanted to come to. By accident, we're here. So La Sandia. Let's have a little look over there. So I'm on the side of the road where nothing's happening. Backs of people's houses. Let's have a look. I said I wasn't going to go into those shopping centres, but if it's got bars, we can have a little look. So yeah, cocktails. Let's have a little look around. Ain't much around here though. So yeah, some tennis on. Little massage places. Oh, okay, so you've got a lot more of the theme bars. Swiss. Nothing's open there. So this must be quite cool at night time because you're really close to all of the bars. Really close to one another. This one's up for sale. You've got a restaurant down there. So keep having a walk around, have a little look. Oh, you can go up one more level as well. Got Mambo at the top. Got squeaky floors. What's this restaurant? Very nice though, look, because you've got both sides. Very nice. Rump steak, fillet steak. Very nice. Hola. So yeah. Very nice. You've got Bliss Club there as well. Oh. Like I got stung on my foot then. All in my mind. Is that another spa there? Let's quickly show you there. So you've got Bliss nightclub. Sexy dancing. Okay. Bit of Latin girls, it says. Right, let's keep going then. So you got the Ruby there. There's the sign. I said that'd probably be quite good at night time because you've got all them little bars. You can do a little quick bar crawl through it. Pop into each bar, have one beer. Check the vibe out in each one. Ruby, that's quite a cool hotel. All them whiteboards all light up at night time. Well, they did on the other one where we're staying. Is this where I am? I think I've just walked around and there's the stairs. You go down these stairs here and it'll take you down towards the beach. Yeah, that's the stairs. We walked up these stairs at night time. We was coming to Yumbo to film. Should we go down? So we've done the Yumbo. If I go down, I've got to come back up. It's the only problem. Come on, let's go down. Might as well. So yeah, there's the view. Let's go down. If I've got to walk it, you got to come with me. So guys, make sure you subscribe, yeah? Because 90% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, but you love watching the videos, and we thank you very much for watching all of our videos. We've got some real loyal subscribers at the moment who watch a lot of our videos, so big shout out to you guys, yeah? Thank you very much for making the channel what it is. Without you guys, the channel would be nothing. We'd just be here talking to a camera, looking like a wally. So thanks very much, yeah? What I'm going to do, I'm going to end this one here. I'll start the next video in a minute, so thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.